Hello, guys. Welcome back again to Elite SA. Yes, a channel, other channel basically watch. That's us. Yes. It's been 3 weeks. I haven't uploaded anything on YouTube. Things have been getting way more hectic day by day. I apologize, even though I try to keep up to my schedule of uploading once a week, things are a little bit more difficult for me at the moment. But don't worry, I always prioritize your time, okay? So today I'm going to show you guys something you've all been yearning for. You've been scrolling down on YouTube trying to find a video that's going to show you how to make money the legit way and the easiest way, and you've been coming across like a bunch of South African videos which basically tell you nothing. Okay, today I'm basically going to show you guys in real time with real data and analytics how to get it done. Okay, how to make 500 to about like 1,000 rands per day just by using your computer and your internet. Okay, you can basically buy a date, like 1 to 2 gigs of data just to complete this exercise or whatever it is you want to call it. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's just get into it. So basically what we are going to be doing today is I'm going to be showing you guys how to make money through drop shipping, as well as making a blog site. Okay, if you don't believe me guys that you can make a lot of money on blogs, there's an article, I don't know who it is by, but let me just hop in and show you guys how much can you expect to make per day or per month on just a blog website. Okay, so let's just say, so basically this article is going to show us how much bloggers make, and we're going to take it from there. Remember last year, okay, let's just select this one, blogging hourly rate, how to make money from your blog. I'm not sure which one it is because there's so many of these blogs, but one of them is going to tell us and give us more accurate statistics on how much money we can make on this on a blogging website. Okay, now as you can see, there's a title of how much money we can make in a blog in South Africa, your fast start to income guide. Remember, if you're also a teenager, you can also do this as well. It's very much open to everybody, and yeah, it's basic. That's basically it. So number one, they say that they tell you you need to set realistic targets and work towards them. Remember, when you open a blog site, this is something that you should just first need to know. You need to commit. It's like working a full 9 to 5 hour job or whatever. Okay, you'll be writing like 500 to 600 words on your blog channel. That's how you build up traffic, but that's not exactly how you 100% build traffic. You can actually pay for traffic. Okay, but that's a topic for another time. But for now, just know that you need to commit, put in the effort and all the kind of stuff so that you can make and bring life into your blog. If you want me to show you the whole entire process of how to create buy a domain, all that kind of stuff, hosting, I can show you guys. I already actually started showing you guys that last year, but I actually never committed to finishing it. But now I am committed to actually finishing it. So we've got like realistic targets and work towards them. So that's what they're saying. I'm not going to read all that. You can read that on your own, but they actually give you like a little bit of a time frame here. From 1 month to about like 3 months, you can expect to make like 3,000 rand per month on your blog website after you have been accepted. So by advertising like your site and some affiliate products. Yeah, well, you can advertise affiliate products, but I don't like this one. But anyways, just keep in mind, I'm going to show you a very easy way to actually get your own products being advertised on your blog website. That's how you become smart. Okay, you're working on your products between month 4 and 6, you'll be earning about like 12,000 per month. Within 7th and 9th month, you'll be earning about 12,000, depending on what you do. Keep on reading this. I'm not gonna read it. They say between month 10 and 12, you could be making up to 50,000 rands per month. Okay, you can start by earning about like 3,000 rands per month, and that's basically it. Okay, so okay, sorry about this one. We're gonna subscribe next time. So they tell you all steps on how to use, what type of monetizations to use, what type of private advertising to use, special features, advertising, all that kind of stuff. Please go through and read this website. I mean, this article is actually on this website right here. I definitely would link it in my description below. So but for now, let's just look at an example of what do they mean by making a blog and making money off of it. Okay, so this is my example. Okay, this is a blogging site I just opened. So as you can see, this is it. I've got like, this is for a football content. Basically, that's all it is. Yeah, everything does work there. Bundesliga is basically everything that has to do with football. Okay, so it's also mobile responsive. If you can inspect the whole entire website, remember, anyone can do this. Okay, now as you can see, the website is 100% very much live. You can go through it and just see, and yeah, this is how you can first make your money. I haven't been monetized yet, but I'm just showing you guys how you can actually get this thing set up and going. But for now, this is one way of making money online, which is by making a blog site, okay, about whatever content you feel people need. Please do not write about redundant content, okay, content that just nobody's interested in. Okay, you cannot do that. You won't make money out of it. You cannot be writing about, you know, stuff that just, you know, it's not entertaining and people are not looking forward towards it. Okay, write about something people want to listen to or, you know, read about. The other way to make money online, besides this one, building a blog site, is to actually drop ship products. Okay, it's actually called drop shipping. That's the whole entire name for the thingy. Okay, drop shipping basically means one thing. Okay, you buy products from somewhere, you sell them to a customer at a slightly elevated price. You understand what I'm saying? Slightly elevated price. You just buying it for a cheaper price, then you keep the profit. That's basically drop shipping. So I have a drop shipping company which is called heliodronics.co.za. If you guys could go to Google, type the name, you would definitely come across a site called Heliodronics. Yes, yeah, you need to spell it correctly. I'm gonna link it in the description below. This is basically the site. You've been seeing it all over the, you know, like the past, you know, videos, 4 to 5 videos. It's live. You can buy products here. If you guys want me to show you how you can actually set a drop shipping store, please comment below. Yes. All I want to see in my comments below is a bunch of yeses and nothing else. Okay, we're keeping it clean in the comments. I'm gonna show you guys how to set up this drop shipping store, get your stuff approved, register with, okay, if you go down below, go down to the bottom there, you can see I have a registration number. I'm gonna show you guys how to register with CIPC, which is basically you registering your company and registering your company for income taxes and all that kind of stuff. Okay, so that's basically more or less what drop shipping is about. Okay, people come, for example, let me give you a little bit of an example. Somebody wants to buy a smartphone, they will just basically come to my website, click on there, and basically they're gonna go through the whole entire process, and they can find a bunch of like smartphones that suits their needs. Okay, yeah, so basically that's more or less what drop shipping is about. If you guys loved this video, I know there's something loading on the screen, don't worry about that. If you guys love this video, you want to see more, you want to get more information, link me in the comments below. Remember, 90% of you guys are still not subscribed. Let's get those subscribers, those numbers running up, okay? So that I can know who needs what, what type of content can I put out there, okay? So that I'm not just moving blank, okay? Help me help you guys. And this is basically it. I'm gonna show you guys everything you need to know. If only you can just comment and just leave a like and just subscribe. Remember, this is quality content absolutely for free. Subscribing is for free, liking is for free. You basically paying nothing, okay? This is for free. So with that being said, I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Ciao.